You know, when I take you down to Old Town San Diego, you're gonna get the Old Town taste of San Diego. You're gonna get some Mexican food. You're gonna get fishbowl-sized margaritas the size of your head. I found a woman who was cooking like knee-high to her parents down in Tijuana. Then she went to San Isidro. She was cooking tacos. Then she went over to a cevicheria. This is Tuetano Taqueria and Marustico Cevicheria. Dude, let's go.
Okay.
Coming up, 2 shrimp chipotle quesadillas.
I've had Mexican food all my life, but this is definitely a different flavor profile.
Baja-style fish tacos at the window.
You get 2 worlds in one.
That's 2 restaurants and 1 kitchen, which is where Chef Priscilla Curiel is cooking up some surf and turf. Why are there 2 restaurants?
It was designed that way, and we decided to offer like Baja-style seafood that goes well with our birria tacos.
2 birria bone marrow tacos.
It's a taco with shredded beef, just super juicy, tender.
The bone marrow falls into the taco, super delicious.
The first thing we start off by making our birria is
Right.
we use the dried guajillo chile.
Okay. Ah!
Onions, peeled garlic cloves, peppercorn,
A lot of cinnamon
bay leaf.
and a bunch of water. Let it simmer for 45 minutes.
Once the adobo is done cooking, we blend it with the emergent blender.
Beautiful.
So now we're gonna get our bone marrow, which is the second star of the taco.
Well, Troy's here, so the bone marrow is the 3rd.
I'm actually the 4th, I think.
Add water to the tray, 350 in the oven, 45 minutes.
What do we have next?
Birria stew, some water, adobo, chuck beef. It's gonna cook for 30 hours.
Really?
Yes, you have to babysit it. It looks simple, but it's a lot of work.
Oh, I know. Just invite people to your show and you think they could just do it, and then, but you feel like you have to babysit the entire time.
Once the birria is cooked, we separate the beef from the broth. This is my favorite part of making the birria. You're gonna grab the bone, put it inside the consommé,
Dip it in the gold.
and put it in the grill. Dip the tortilla in the
Okay.
consommé.
Oh, yeah.
And every taco somebody orders, they get a bone.
If they order it, the bone marrow birria taco.
Yeah, like the taco is kind of like the car in the beginning of the Flintstones, and then they get the big bone that falls on the side of it and it tips it over. That's it.
That's the marrow. Okay, some of the birria meat, onions, cilantro, bone. Put a wooden stick to scrape the marrow off the bone.
It's like a bone marrow lollipop.
The fat of the birria and the fat of the bone marrow, it becomes really unctuous.
Unctuous meat butter.
The preparation, the service style, all of these pieces come together, and it is 100% indulgent. I mean, you are really getting an authentic, creative, rich,
Meaty taco.
And you just can't have enough meaty taco in your day.
1, 2, 3.
It's quite flavorful, delicious. Probably have like 10 more.